and welcome. I am Atul Parikh here, and today I will present a short demo and incredible feature of NexusGPT. Once you enter the dashboard, on the left menu you will see the business card where you can create and manage business cards. Next is GPT Assistant, which works for you tirelessly to close more leads, sales and serve your client 24/7. Another one is Mail, the heart of any business to automate communication. Now comes Leads, Analytics, Integrations and Settings, which I will explain later. So let's jump on the dashboard where you will be greeted by a captivating display. Create business cards, monitor the total number of your cards you have created and track the visitors to your digital business cards. Take a moment to explore the popular cards, recent additions, and the email list associated with your account. All the information you need is conveniently located on the dashboard. Now let's explore the business cards. Simply click on the business card link. This will take you to the business card section where you can access the list of all your cards you have created. Choose from our wide selection of pre-designed business card templates tailored specially to suit your business needs or start from the scratch. Let's say we have select health coach template. Once inside the business card editor, you have the freedom to customize every element including social media links, images, videos and more. Let's change the business card logo and rewrite the headline to suit your preference. These are just a few of the features available in the editor. On the left menu, you can also add a call to action button, a sign up form, appointment booking features, and much more. Take a look at some of the business cards we have created in different niches. Beautiful and result oriented, right? I'm sure you will be amazed by the results. Alright, let's take branded GPT AI Assistant. GPT Assistant is your reliable companion working tirelessly for you and your clients and convert leads into 24/7. The GPT Assistant is fully customizable, allowing you to personalize the assistant's name, theme color, and the assistant pick to align with your brand identity. To set up the GPT Assistant, simply enter the assistant type, description, assistant goal, and desired functionalities. Click on the Enable and Generate Assistant button and you are all set. It's important to note that while the GPT Assistant is highly capable, it's not perfect. Providing detailed prompts and information will enhance its efficiency drastically. Lastly, now all you have to do is install a free NFC tag app from your Play Store. Paste the published digital business card URL and you are ready to go. You can share your business cards with anyone having just a mobile phone with zero contact. Just one touch and boom. Your digital business card with branded AI assistant will work for you to close more leads and sales on 100% automation. No coding, no designing, no other techy stuff. Isn't it amazing? Now comes the more amazing features, the email marketing. NexusGPT enables you to edit and schedule email effortlessly. Additionally, you can manage your contacts, lists, and segmentation efficiently. Analytics play a vital role in understanding your audience, contacts, and email performance. Our integration feature allows you to connect with top autoresponder, automating various aspects of your business, including CRM integration, webinar integration, content provider, cloud storage, and payment systems. Finally, the settings section of NexusGPT empowers you to manage your business profile, branding, and other essential aspects. In the top right corner, you will find the profile setting, which enables you to manage your business, clients, team members, and review plan details. In conclusion, NexusGPT is futuristic NFC tech that creates digital business cards 100% managed by GPT AI assistant with just one touch. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium feature that I just shared with you.
Did you know that there will be 500 billion NFC-powered devices by 2030? That's right. According to ABI research, 96% of respondents use NFC technology for multiple purposes in addition to just contactless payments. Use of NFC, or near field communication technology, for business is increasing drastically over time for contactless payments, sharing personal details, generating leads, coupons, deals, ratings and reviews, and much, much more. Hi there, Dr. Amit Parikh and his partner Atul Parikh are here, and I want to tell you what they have up their sleeve now. It is fantastic. They have 19 plus years, of course, of online business experience combined and have served over 80,000 marketers, agencies, and local businesses with their top-notch marketing software solutions. And now they've got something that is fantastic. NFC technology is getting popular every day for both offline and online marketers to amplify marketing results. It is creating a nexus and connecting offline businesses and their marketing ways with the fast-growing digital world with no touch at all. No matter if you are an affiliate marketer, a coach, social media expert, or a local business owner, by leveraging this futuristic tech, you can generate leads, boost social followership, and enhance online brand image. You could collect ratings and reviews for immediate results and profits. And when you tap into this immense power, this unbelievable power, the results can be true freedom and explosive profits simultaneously. Isn't that super cool? But the lack of the right set of tools and knowledge is the reason why most businesses fail to start using it even after having a great vision and a great product. Yes, sadly, that is true. Today, if you are not using the latest NFC tech, then you might be shortchanging your business. When you join a networking event in your industry or meet a client using old school physical business cards, well, that's really no longer an option. You have limited options, and those can be lost easily, as truly nobody really cares about that. And you face missed growth opportunities as a result, reduced efficiency, and potential setbacks. Also, there's incompatibility with modern trends, and not utilizing it can make you outdated. Well, not anymore. After years of learning, planning, coding, debugging, and 8 months of real user testing, we are pleased to announce that we have created the absolute solution, and we'd like to share it with you today, proudly presenting NexusGPT. It's the futuristic NFC tech that creates digital business cards that are 100% managed by GPT AI Assistant with just one touch. Zero technical hassles and zero headaches. Now let's take a closer look at how it works. It has never been easier to connect the offline audience with fast-growing digital world, but with NexusGPT, you could create beautiful, engaging, and contactless digital business cards. Those are 100% managed by GPT Assistant to get you even better results in 4 easy steps. Now, step 1 is to choose a business card design from our done-for-you templates and start creating one for you or for your client's business. Step 2, set up personal details, payment details, social media links, location, contact, biography, lead generation form, CTA buttons, or whatever information you want to share with your target audience, and publish your branded business card. Step 3 is to customize the inbuilt GPT AI Assistant according to your brand, logo, color, theme, and most importantly, enter the desired response you want from your assistant to close more sales for you, on automation, of course. Step 4, now all you have to do is install a free NFC tag app from the Play Store. Paste the published digital business card URL, and you are ready to go. Now you could share your business cards with anyone having a mobile phone with zero contact. Just one touch and boom, your digital business card with branded AI assistant will work for you to close more leads and sales on 100% automation. There's no coding, no designing, and no other techie stuff. And everything works from one dashboard. It's simple, easy, fast, reliable. With NexusGPT, you could do so much more. First, this is a proprietary GPT AI-assisted futuristic tech that lets you kickstart and manage your profile, collect leads, share social profiles, and grow faster online effortlessly. Also, NexusGPT empowers you and your customers to stand out of the crowd and establish as the leading experts for prospects, unlock a world of possibilities, and achieve unparalleled success. Create and sell unlimited fast-loading digital business cards for any niche and goal in just a few minutes. Get a next-generation advanced drag-and-drop editor to create whatever you want and wherever you want without even a single pixel error. Done for you, proven, converting, mobile, responsive, and ready-to-go digital business card templates as well. These templates are easy to use. Just load them up, click to edit, publish, and you're ready to start getting your best results ASAP. And that's just a handful of features. Our entire host of other features are included with NexusGPT when you sign up today. So whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. Just get your hands on NexusGPT to create and sell digital business cards 100% managed by GPT Assistant, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7. And that makes NexusGPT a cut above the rest. Isn't it amazing? Yes. First, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our premium customer support. And lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast-based platform. So I hope you are thrilled with the premium features that I have just shared with you. As I already told you, this is a masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? Start using two futuristic technologies, NFC and GPT, to boost marketing for your own on your client's business today. Get NexusGPT for a low one-time fee, but only during this 6-day launch period. After that, it's going back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use NexusGPT for your clients to help them with digital business card creation services and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that is fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and get access to this ultimate platform. On behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh, let me congratulate you on grabbing NexusGPT and proving you are a very, very smart marketer. The NexusGPT team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.